Hi everyone, Alex here, AMRC, and the E-flite Eratix. Haven't flown this in a while, but they announced the UMX version. Should be coming out soon, even here in Europe, and I'm really excited about that. I've been looking for a small 3D plane. That seems to be just perfect, but meantime, I have this one. Haven't flown it in a while, so let's get it in the air and see what we can do with it. Got some movement. Actually, you know what? High rates. I'm in safe now, or nah, mid rates. Okay, let's see. Ooh, feels a bit nose heavy. I had a camera on this, mounted somewhere in the middle. Try to trim it a bit. Okay, now it's better. And I took that off. I did have it on there for perfect CG. I have the battery as far back as I can. Still wanting to go down. Okay, that should do it. Yeah, I'm using a 853S. Okay, let's take it out of safe. Now I have been messing around a lot with Twisted Hobbies planes, the flat foamies, and they are just fantastic. They do seem to be a lot lighter than this. Well, maybe not a lot, but noticeably lighter. They are easier to throw around. And they've helped me a lot, gain a lot of confidence flying without safe. I don't even have any kind of gyro on one of them. And yeah, I'm feeling a lot more comfortable with this one now. Ooh. Okay. Switch back to safe there, because I sorry, really don't want to crash this one. Seems a lot more fragile. I don't know, I never crashed it yet, but this foam board type material it's made of doesn't seem as tough as basically the insulation foam the Twisted Hobbies ones are made of. This also looks so nice. The finish on it is great. I saw it. Ooh. Okay. Let me also get my battery voltage. Ooh, 10.8. That's low. It's gonna be a short flight probably. Do need a lot of throttle, hover and stuff like that. Yeah, the UMX one, so it has some plastic covering or something like that. Not sure what the structure is made of. I think it's some type of foam. What I do hate about it, they have that weird connector for the batteries. They use the batteries with a single plug for charging and power. And you need an adapter for those. If I get one, and I'm probably gonna get the UMX Eratix, because it's just what I've been looking for online recently. I'll probably change that connector to a JST. I know they probably do it to save weight and stuff, and sell those expensive batteries, which I'm not a fan of. just floating around. I don't have a lot of battery left. Let's try one more hover. Okay, it's yelling at me. I'm gonna try and land it. So we'll see. I was also thinking, still am, of buying a Queedy 550, which is also a 3D plane. Smaller one. Comes ready to fly. I don't know how good it is. I looked at some videos online, but I couldn't find anything that relevant. Not bad, not great. 11.3 volts. Yeah, so here it is. The Eratix. They also have the wood one now. The big, I don't know what it is, 1.5 meters, something like that. That's nowhere near my budget or skill level for now, so I'm happy with this one, and especially with the Twisted Hobbies ones. This one, flying it now with more confidence, yeah, it's not bad. It's a bit on the heavy side, but it's okay. If you have any other suggestions for small 3D planes under 500 millimeters, I would be happy to hear them. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!